Brad Williams, XL prime. How about calculate the area of a circle? Very straightforward. Area equals pi r squared. R, radius, the center point to where? The circumference. Circumference, the outer perimeter of your circle. We're measuring the area, okay? Area, you can calculate the area of a circle using the pi function and the exponent operator. Here's a copy. All right, we're going to use pi times b5 squared, which computes the area of a circle whose radius is specified in column B. Here's our radius. We're going to take area and compute it. I also have the circumference of a circle tutorial, so I'll just go over this one. It's further down the list. We can all use the power function. That basically just says we don't have to put in this caret. Remember, in order to do this, we have to put the caret as the power indicator or the square. I just want to point that out. We could use the power and just put 2. That would be the equivalent of the caret 2. Other than that, the radius of a circle, the diameter of a circle, the circumference of a circle, you can read up on that. But here it's just simply pi times b5 squared. You need to put parentheses around this? No. In some instances, you have to in order to protect this thing from going out of control. XL is taking the root of radius as opposed to taking pi times b5 squared. Remember, in XL, you have a priority. What's the highest priority? The caret here. In math, we're going to look at b5 squared first, and then we're going to multiply that times 3.1416. Brad Williams, XL prime.